Good morning, dear beloved students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with common uses of some prepositions. Let us learn how to use these common prepositions or uses of common prepositions commonly used in our daily practical behavior. Prepositions. Already so many prepositions have been used by me for you to know, to understand. Common uses of some prepositions. देखिए, on, upon, over, above, on, upon, over, above, on. The books are lying on the table. On the table. On the table. What does it mean? On, now for thing is now showing a rest. On referring to rest. Showing rest. Okay, rest दिखा रहा. On showing rest. Upon the king sat. Upon the throne. Upon the throne. गद्दी पर राजा बैठा. Upon here now showing moment. Moment दिखाता है. Moving moment. Showing. Upon showing moment and on showing rest. Referring to rest. Upon referring to moment. In this sense, these are two prepositions to be used. On showing rest, okay, upon showing moment. In this sense or senses, these prepositions to be used. The birds are flying. The birds are flying over my flat, over my flat, over my building, over my house, okay, over my temple. So here flat. Over. What does it show? Over means ऊपर. Okay. ऊपर. एंड यह बता रहा है चिड़िया का कोई आधार नहीं है. बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग ओवर माई हेड. आधार नहीं है, उड़ रहे हैं और ठीक लंबवत उड़ रहे हैं फ्लाइट के. तो लंबवत परपेंडिकुलर उड़ रहे हैं, लंबवत उड़ रहे हैं और ठीक ठीक ऊपर उड़ रहे हैं और वस्तु का आधार नहीं है. नो बेस. ओके, बेसलेस है वस्तु. ओवर इन दिस सेंस to be used. लेकिन the blue sky is above our heads. Above our heads. हमारे सर के ऊपर आसमान है तो ये विस्तृत फैला हुआ है, इसका भी कोई आधार नहीं. Blue sky has no base. Okay, और above our heads हमारे सर के ऊपर, और लेकिन लंबवत नहीं है. Here you see over लंबवत दिखा रहा है, baseless object है and sky having no base, just above our heads पूरा फैला हुआ है. In this sense, now these prepositions on, upon, over, above to be used in this sense. Okay, try to understand. the prepositions, common prepositions and their uses. You are learning how to use correctly these prepositions. Since, for and from. Now look at it has been raining. It has been raining since morning. Since morning. Morning. Since morning. Expressing or referring time. Okay. Since. More. Point of time. It refers point of time. Point of time. Since. It has been raining. In other sentence, it has been raining since I came. Since. Point of time, referring to point of time. Since I came. आप क्लास पढ़ते समय since का now प्रयोग पढ़ेंगे तो ये कंजंक्शन का भी काम कर रहा है, लेकिन here you see as preposition का भी काम कर रहा है. तो really ये since this is now conjunction, but here functioning as since here functioning as preposition. Since I came. Okay. It has been raining. It has been raining for 2 hours. For 2 hours. So for here now period of time. Period of time expressing or referring to period of time for. Okay. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you from 4 to 5 p.m. to and from. You know, from to. So from it has been used. It also now point of time. It is point of time. And to point of time you can say. So from 4 to 5 p.m. I play football, hockey, kabaddi from morning till evening till. Now expressing time, referring to a time, right? Okay, I'll play from here also. Now preposition referring to time, till referring to time. Okay dear, these are the prepositions being used by you, by me, by you to know, to learn more and more how to use correctly in different sentences. Next, prepositions beside, besides. Beside and besides. Besides. अभी आप प्रयोग पढ़े होंगे पीछे. Once again, let us learn to use these prepositions correctly. Beside here means beside. Beside means by the side of. in this sense. And besides means in addition to. In addition to. In addition to. So beside, by the side of, in this sense, I sit. I sit by the side of or beside the class monitor or class captain. Class captain के बगल में, okay, besides this book, besides के अतिरिक्त, in addition to, beside this book, I do need your help. I need your pen. I do need your pen. So besides के अलावा, these are the prepositions. चालू हो गया? Yes, dear. Let us learn some more prepositions. Let us learn how to use correctly these prepositions in sentences. By and with. By and with. Let us use by and with. By refers to doer. Here, by referring refers to doer or agent. Doer or agent. And with refers to the instrument. Instrument. Let us understand. By refers to. Refers. Okay, and with refers to. Now let me use the children are fed by the parents. By the parents. But द्वारा. तो agent, doer or action. Referring by here refers to doer of action. Agent. The thief was beaten. The thief was beaten by the police. By here referring to the doer, referring to the agent. और एक यहाँ पर और लगा दीजिए with stick, छड़ी से या लाठी से, with stick or लाठी, you can say. So with here referring to the instrument. With referring to instrument, and by referring to doer of an action, agent of that action. In this sense, in this meaning, you can use. She sat by her mother. वो अपने माँ के पास. By here के पास, के समीप, के करीब. She sat by her mother. तो here nearness. By here expressing nearness. Okay. I travel by myself. What does it mean? What does it show? I travel, मैं यात्रा करता हूँ by myself, अपने द्वारा. Swaying से, swaying से या swaying ही. In this sense, by to be used here, has been used here. और देखिए, yes dear. Next uses of these prepositions क्या है? देखते जाइए. क्या हमने लिखा था? By and with. By and with. What is time? By your watch. आपके घड़ी में क्या समय होता है? By your watch. Okay. By means से, आपके घड़ी से क्या समय है? से अर्थ in this way. से अर्थ में यहाँ पर है. सपोज कोई आपसे पूछता है कि आप कौन जाति के हो, तो I am such and such. यहाँ जाति का नाम लेना ठीक नहीं है. It is not better to introduce any caste, okay, by caste. Say here you see by I am XYZ by caste. I am, okay, whatever you introduce yourself, you declare your caste, so I am such and such by caste. Okay dear. Now, I rise with the sun. With the sun. सूरज के साथ मैं जगता हूँ. Means के साथ in this way. I rise with the sun. के साथ here in this sense to be used. Okay dear. With all my shortcomings, or demerits, my parents love me. सारी कमियों के बावजूद, के साथ, सारी कमियों के भी साथ, सारी कमियों के साथ, all my shortcomings, my parents love me. In this way here, now you have seen the uses of by and with in different sentences, in so many sentences. Next prepositions I would like to produce up to you and with their uses. Till and by. Let us understand. Till means here up to. Till means up to here, and by not later than. Not later than. In this sense, to be used. This till and by. I'll example here. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you till 4 p.m. Tak. In this sense, till to be used. Tak. I'll come back. I'll come back by 4 p.m. Again here you see tak. By here tak. Okay. Till tak. By tak. Okay. I'll go home by car. Car say. In this sense, by to be used. In this way, you have seen here the uses of till and by in these sentences in their senses. Next preposition. Now I would like to use next preposition, that is to. I'll be at home. From 4 to 5 p.m. 4 से 5 बजे तक अर्थ में ऐसे हियर यू सी। तो आप यूज ऑफ टू देख रहे हैं, एंड फ्रॉम भी आपने देख लिया है। तो फिर ओके, I'll go to college. at 10 a.m. Okay, point of time था सारा, यहाँ भी point of time था। 10 a.m. by car, by bus, or on foot. You can say, you may use that too in this way. Okay. 2. You have learnt the use or uses of a to. Okay. Next preposition, that is about. Tell me about yourself, about her, about के विषय में. It is about 5 o'clock. यह लगभग 5 बजा है। तो लगभग. And about her, tell me about her. Here के विषय में it is about 5, के लगभग करीब. So you have seen here now the common uses of some prepositions. You have seen here, dear. Now, okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Please do watch, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.